You could have everything right, but if you're doing this, you won't get sales. You won't get enough sales. Like, hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers, and today we're going to talk about why you aren't getting sales or how to make sales. So all the time, people will message me like, why aren't I getting sales? Or even just messaging me for advice. And when people do that, I usually get on their business page and see what's up because I'm pretty nosy. So I made a little list of common problems I see on people's pages. So I'm going to talk about that today. Got a little notebook. So if you don't know already, I am the owner of Casino Lashes. This Casino Lashes, I gotta advertise for myself, of course. Of course. I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Madam Brittany, and follow Casino Lashes on Instagram. Check out our website. I also have a discount code for all of my YouTube viewers. Use the code YouTube for money off at checkout. So the first thing is something I have to work on. It's pretty hard. It's way harder than you think. But your IG aesthetic, your Instagram aesthetic. So you want to have like a common theme throughout your Instagram page, or you just want it to look professional. Like, you can't mix your personal pictures. Well, unless you're wearing your product, of course. You can't mix, like, you can't have your business page and your personal page be one page. Like I mentioned in another video, there are two types of people that want to sell. People who just want like a hustle, a side hustle, and people that want like a business. So if you're just trying to hustle and sell locally and stuff, then maybe you can do that, but even then it's a little confusing. But if you actually want like a business, which is what I am going for, then you need to have two separate pages for your lashes or your boutique or hair store and your actual Instagram aesthetic. So sometimes you can throw in cute little pictures like memes, but put them like, if the theme for your business is pink, then put the like meme on a pink background or something like that. So that's something that'll work. And you can find a lot of different makeup memes and stuff. So that's something that could help your Instagram aesthetic. And plus, people will like it, people will look at it. Or even just something as simple as, if your aesthetic is pink, having pink nails, like a nail gold picture or something, because people love nails. So even that could help your Instagram aesthetic. And it just makes you look more professional. And people are spending more time on your page. So the second thing I wrote down kind of goes into this. So the next problem I see is poor picture quality. So you don't need a nice camera at all. You just need your phone. Well, I think an iPhone, probably like I think 6 is doable, but 6, 7, all of that works fine. I use my iPhone X to take my pictures. You don't need like a Canon or anything expensive like that. I use my iPhone and a ring light. Like I said on my last video, well, my business essentials video, I talked about if you have like a paradise themed business, then you can take your pictures outside. If you have like a glamorous luxury company, then maybe you may want to invest in a ring light or a lamp, or only take your pictures during the day so you can have a very nice, well lit product pictures and pictures for your Instagram or whatever. So this next one is what I see all the time, and there's no excuse for it at all. You do not post enough on your Instagram. You need to post all the time. I'm talking like, I mean, there's no excuse. At least once a day, but that is very, very low. Like, that's kind of bad. Once a day is kind of bad, especially with this Instagram algorithm. So a lot of times you will see me commenting on my own pictures from my personal account like with hard eyes, because the way the algorithm is set up, I believe right now, is the more likes you get the first few seconds, minutes you post a picture, the more of your followers that will see that picture. So, and like interactions you get on that picture, the first few minutes, the more of your followers will see that picture, since Instagram is not in chronological order anymore. So that's why when I first post a picture, I comment from my personal page, Madam Brittany, from Casino Cosmetics, and I try to get my engagement up a little bit when I first post my picture. So you posting once a day is really not enough at all, I say. But sometimes, like, I'm in school, so I'll be busy, so I'll try to post once a day. But you need to post about 3 times a day: morning, afternoon, night. Because something like those night sales you get, like, I know me, you always have to think about yourself as a consumer. So I usually will be up at night. If I'm up at night, then I'm probably going to be on online shopping or putting a bunch of things in my cart, putting a bunch of things on my wish list on some site. So you really need to think about yourself. So like a lot of times if I repost like my sale picture around like 11 or something, I will get a sale almost instantly from that. Like, or I'll wake up to sales, because a lot of people do online shopping at night, you know? So that is something you want to do. Definitely post at night, maybe the morning and night or afternoon and night. I don't know. So even me right now, I have like 4 or 5 pairs of lashes left, but I'm still posting every day. I don't have any product really, but you still have to post. So that's a good time when memes could be used, or those cute little aesthetic pictures with nails or something could be used. So even if you don't have a product, even if you don't have your lashes at all yet and you haven't even opened your business, you still should be posting at least once a day. You really should. Oh, I gotta hurry up. So the next thing is something that is really, you could have everything right, but if you're doing this, you won't get sales. You won't get enough sales. Like, the next thing is, a lot of people I see are too salesy on their account. You're always trying to sell something to your product, and it is obvious. Yes, I'm always trying to sell. You're always trying to sell something to your customers, and it is obvious. Yes, I'm always trying to sell something to my customers, but I try to not make it obvious. So I repost other people's pictures. Like when they wear my lashes, I'll repost them or something. Like, and also, your story is very, very useful. Like your Instagram story is excellent, because that is in chronological order, the first few seconds. And more people are able to see your Instagram story. So, especially the more you post, the more people that will see your Instagram story. So, because it's going to keep popping up at the front. So sometimes you want to ask your customers things that, your followers, things that just don't even relate to what you're doing. So like, I know I'll ask them on Friday or whatever, or Thursday, what are you doing this weekend? Repost their answers and like comment back like, yes, I'm doing that too. Yes, you know? And it's going to have me popping up. People feel like they know me. They have some kind of connection with Casino Lashes. So it's good for business. What else do I do? Maybe you ask them when's their birthday, what's your sign? Or even if you want to make it about lashes, not all the time, okay? Not all the time, but like you can do it sometimes. Like, do you like dramatic or natural lashes? Do you like black or clear glue? Like something like that, to kind of get them interacting with you to where they feel like they have a connection with you, and that's why they want to buy from you. Because it's a lot of people that sell lashes, but I think having a connection or having some kind of theme with these people is what with your customers, not these people, will be what can set you above everyone else. So, so another thing is, oh my goodness, this video is gonna be long. But it's a lot of good information. A lot of you all do not know your audience. Y'all don't know them. Y'all don't know them at all. Like me, something I've noticed is some people will try to directly appeal to my customers, but I appeal to people like me. Like, you all, sometimes it may be helpful to think of your dream customer. Like, who is the perfect person you would, like, the perfect person you would want to buy from you, you know? So, like, I see a lot of people trying to appeal to MUAs, but you all know nothing about, that sounds mean, but you know nothing about the makeup community, which is very dangerous because the makeup community is pretty messy. So you need to know a little something. You need to know a little something about them. So if you like watch a few makeup tutorials from people you would never watch, like I love Jackie Aina, but reach out a little bit and learn more about other people your customers may like. Learn about what a cut crease is. Learn things like that, because some people just don't know it, but they're like, I'm looking for MUAs, but like, I know I'm not good at eyeshadow at all, but like, I know about makeup. I enjoy it. Stuff like that. Like, you all just don't know your audience. Like, and it'll help you, because let's say you're doing this really big release when Anastasia Beverly Hills is doing some big release too. So now people are going to be buying from them instead of you. So you need to know the community. You need to know, like, this company is coming out with something big on this Friday. Maybe I should go Wednesday or something, you know? So that could be very helpful. You need to know your audience. You need to know who you're targeting, all of that, if you're trying to target MUAs. And you don't have to, it's the thing. Like, you don't have to do that. Like, this whole trend of I only wear lashes and lip gloss is a thing, you know? Like, if that's what you want to do, lashes and lip gloss, let it be that. Don't feel like you have to do MUAs because you see other people doing MUAs. Like, that does not have to be your audience. So the last one is, I kind of touched on it a little bit, was hashtagging. Some of you do not hashtag your stuff, or you use hashtags like 25mm lashes, 3D mink lashes, silk mink lashes. So if you're doing that, you are messing up. Like, don't do that. I think I took those hashtags out. But like, the thing is, those are the hashtags those lash vendors like search when they're looking for people, basically. So like, if you use those hashtags, you're gonna get a lot of lash pages following you. You're going to get a lot of lash pages liking your stuff, and those lash pages, like those lash vendors, are not the people that are gonna be buying from you. So you don't want them. Like, it doesn't matter. You don't really want them on your stuff. You know, and sometimes it's a little annoying because I get a lot of DMs from them. So use hashtags that appeal to whatever you're doing. So like, if you're doing lip gloss and lashes, glitter gloss, rainbow gloss, I don't know, like clear lip gloss, something like that. If you're doing makeup artists, do MUAs unite, stuff like that. So make sure you aren't doing hashtags that are just going to be full of robots, full of vendors, and stuff like that. So just be mindful and be careful. So these are just things I see. I want to be able to like arrange something to where we can do like a one-on-one session, to where it'll be like, I can literally go through your page and tell you, this does not work, this works, this is a bad picture, this is too salesy. Like, I want to be able to like set something up, like, I don't know, like an hour long or a 30-minute long conference call or something, but I don't know how to yet. So when I figure that out, I'll make sure I do it. But anyway, you all, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all learned a little something. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.